For the second silo, let's choose memory foam mattress. We could have chosen just about anything else from here. We will choose memory foam as it's so very popular. Let's now head over to Keyword Revealer and see how many keywords we can find that start with best or end in reviews. Let's type in memory foam and run a search. Let's list all the words that begin with best. It lists 39 keywords that begin with best. Let me evaluate the keyword difficulty scores of a few keywords in this list now. I will pause the video while I evaluate the difficulty scores. We were able to find 8 keywords using Keyword Revealer alone. In the next video, we will use SEMrush and Keyword Revealer together to find a few more keywords. Let's now use SEMrush and Keyword Revealer together to find a few more keywords that either start with the word best or end in reviews. Let's use SEMrush's SEO keyword magic this time. Let's do a search for memory foam using SEO keyword magic. Let's now get the tool to list all keywords that begin with the word best. There are quite a few phrases here. Let's set the minimum search volume to 40. Let me copy a few of these into a notepad file. I copied a little more than 20 keywords from this list into this notepad file. Now, let me pause the video while I evaluate the keyword difficulty of each of these. Several keywords from this list here satisfied our search criteria, and we now have 25 keywords for this silo. Let's now go back to SEMrush and find keywords that end in review or reviews. There are quite a few results for this search as well. Let me copy a few of these into a notepad file and evaluate the keyword difficulty scores of each keyword. I copied more than 20 keywords into this notepad file, and I'll be evaluating the keyword difficulty of each of these keywords now. You would want to note that a lot of these are product keywords. Several of these keywords from this list here met our search criteria, and as a result, we already have 37 keywords for this silo. In the next video, we will find a few long tail keywords. We will now use SEMrush's SEO keyword magic to find long tail buyer keywords, keywords that contain words like for, with, versus, and under. Let's first find words containing for. We have already evaluated the keyword difficulty scores of some of these phrases in this list and have saved a few of them. We will see which ones we do not have in our list here and put them into a notepad file. Some of the phrases in this list are about shoes, rugs, and dog mattresses. Since our site is only about mattresses, we will have to skip those phrases. Here are the phrases we currently do not have in this list. Let's evaluate the keyword difficulty scores of these keywords now. This has a keyword difficulty score of 39. It's not a very hard phrase to rank because there is this domain authority 23 site here with only one backlink, but this still would be a medium difficulty phrase. Let's skip this. Let's now see if there are any more phrases we can use here. This one looks interesting. Let's evaluate the keyword difficulty. This is a very easy phrase to rank for. Let's save this. And let's go back to this list. That's about it. So we found this one keyword. This is another really easy keyword. Look at this one here. There's a domain authority 1 site. It has a page authority of 1. It has no backlinks. It doesn't get any easier than this. And a lot of the pages here have a page authority of 1 and no backlinks. This is a really easy phrase. Let's save this. Let's see if we can find any more keywords here that start with best. Let's check this one. But we already have that phrase here, so we can't be using it. This is another very easy keyword. All of these very easy keywords, one thing they all have in common is they have a lot of page authority 1 sites in the top 10, and they have a few very low domain authority sites as well. This one has a domain authority of 19, but this one, ranking at the first position, is a domain authority 1 site with no backlinks. Let me pause the video while I evaluate the keyword difficulty scores of the rest of these keywords. A few of the keywords in the list met our search criteria, and we now have 44 keywords for this silo. We have more keywords than we need, and so there's no point searching for more long tails. We'll now find maybe 3 to 5 informational keywords and then find keywords for the third silo. We already have 44 keywords for this silo. But it's always good to have at least a few informational keywords in every silo. You wouldn't want to have only buyer keywords in any silo. There should always be a few pages that are not monetized in any way. So, let's find between 3 to 5 informational keywords for this silo now. Let's use SEO keyword magic to find a few informational keywords. Let's start by finding keywords that contain of. Let's select a few phrases from this list. We can choose this one. What is memory foam made of? This will be a good phrase to have on your site. Pros and cons of memory foam mattresses. Now, let's find some keywords that contain what. What is gel memory foam? This one looks better. What is gel infused memory foam? This will be a good keyword as well. What to look for in a memory foam mattress. Let's now find some phrases that contain how. How to clean a memory foam mattress. We now have 5 informational keywords. Since we already have several product keywords here, we will not be needing any more product keywords, which means we can now start keyword research for Silo 3.